right, we got some exciting news for the channel this week. We got a new build. So meet Matilda. Matilda is our 67 Chevelle that I have had since probably 2008. We had a visit here not too long ago, and the person that visited was, I guess, fell in love with the car. It was my dad. He come down and visited, fell in love with it, asked me if I would build it for him. So we are going to be building this car for my dad, which I'm super stoked about. Not everybody can say that they were able to build a vehicle for their father, and I get to build this one for him. So it's going to be a really high-end build, 281 suspension, Willwood disc brakes, vintage air, all new interior. It's really going to be a sharp build. Going V5 blue, and I know Chevy guys, oh, it's a Mopar color, and you Mopar guys, oh, you put the Mopar color on a Chevy. Anyway, I like V5 blue, my dad likes V5 blue. The car is going to be V5 blue, and where the vinyl top is going to be black, and the tail section underneath between the bumper and the trunk is also going to be black. So it's really going to be a good looking car. Under the hood's going to be color matched, the engine's going to be color matched the body, so it's really going to be a good looking vehicle. But anyway, follow along, like and subscribe, follow this build as we go along here. We'll be posting videos as we build it, so little by little we'll be posting short videos of chassis work and metal work and patch panel installs and body work and blocking and painting. But this complete build, we're gonna post videos of this complete build as we move along over the course of the next year. So follow along with us. Thanks for watching.